So now, having understood the reason as to why we need to use the ARC and GACH models, we move to modeling conditional heteroskedasticity. So there are three important terms that we need to understand. The first one is homoskedasticity. We have already come across it here. We are saying it is an assumption of OLS. Then you also need to understand what is heteroskedasticity. Heteroskedasticity is obviously the opposite of homoskedasticity. And then we need to understand another term we are calling conditional heteroskedasticity. So homoskedasticity, it means that the variance is constant. It means that the variance of the variable errors, or what we call shooks, are a constant. It means the variance of the errors does not change over time. And this is the representation of that homoskedasticity. So the variance is constant. So then we go to heteroskedasticity. It means that the variance of the variable errors changes over time. They are not constant. And this is the representation. It changes over time, And that is why we have this T here. If you check this one, you see this one has a T, meaning that it can depend on time, but this one does not have. And then we understand the conditional heteroskedasticity. It means that the variance of the variable errors changes over time. That one is heteroskedasticity and depends on past information. That one brings in the term conditional. So two things are satisfied here. Conditional heteroskedasticity means the values of the error terms changes over time and they depend on past information. This means that volatility is not constant, it is conditional. So this term here, conditional heteroskedasticity, means that volatility is conditional or it is pegged on past information. So now we know what is homoskedasticity. The variance does not change over time. Heteroskedasticity variance changes over time. And conditional heteroskedasticity, the variance of the error terms changes over time and they depend on past information. So in finance, we often see conditional heteroskedasticity. This one is obvious, which means that variance or the volatility, one, changes over time, two, depends on past information. Because of this, we use what we call now the ARC and GACH models. We use the ARC and GACH models. So now we go to modeling the ARC and GACH models, and we start with ARC models.